Hello Cat 2023-2024. This video is about types of question of reading comprehension. Along with you will get shortcuts and strategy to solve reading comprehension question and 30 days planning how to master over reading comprehension. Reading comprehension is one of the part of English. So English has two sections. One is RC reading comprehension and second is verbal ability. The weightage of verbal ability is 30% and weightage of RC is 70%. Total number of question from verbal ability will be 8 and total number of question from reading comprehension will be 16. Together it is 24 and it is called VARC. Duration per question is not allotted. Altogether you will get 40 minutes for 24 questions. You do not need to attempt all the questions. Just check how many questions are possible to get corrected. So attempt as many questions as possible to get corrected. Here we go, types of question. First is inference based questions. Question stem will include what can be inferred from the passage about the author's view on the global warming. And strategy to solve inferred question will be to focus on understanding the author's tone, opinion, and intention behind the passage. Second types of question will be fact based questions. Question stem will include, according to the passage, how many people are affected by the issue described. The strategy for fact-based question will be to skim, scan, and go in detail. Then copy-paste information. It means whatever is given, you have to follow the same pattern. Third is vocabulary-based questions. Question stem will include what does the term X mean in the context of the passage. That is called vocabulary-based question. The strategy for vocabulary-based question will be to enhance vocabulary and understand the words in context. What if you do not enjoy reading vocabulary? Then the solution will be just check the context, relate the information through the passage, check how it is related, and guess the meaning. Fourth is main idea question. What is the central theme or main idea of the passage? Will be the question step. Strategy practice identifying the core message of the passage. So you have to find out what is the centered information of the passage. Fifth is tone and attitude questions. What is the author's tone towards the current economic policies? Will be the question stem. Strategy pay attention to adjectives and phrases that indicate sentiments of author. It's mean how or why author has written or the way author has written the whole passage. Sixth is application and thought questions. How does the theory mentioned in the passage apply to real world scenarios? Strategy analyze how theoretical concepts can be linked to practical applications. So this is called. In short, just check that how to relate the information according to author's mind. Seventh is comparative passage questions. How are two theories described in the passage similar or different? So this will be the question stem of the passage. Strategy practice comparing and contrasting ideas, views, or events. Next is eighth is logical structure questions. What argument is the author making in the second paragraph? This will be the question stem of logical structure questions. Strategy focus on logical flow of the ideas and argument. Ninth is extrapolation questions. What might happen if the trends described in the passage continue? This will be the question stem. Strategy think critically about the implication and future trends based on the passage. Mainly, it is a type of data. 10th is specific detail questions. Specific detail questions will give you line number or word to justify the answer. What evidence does the author provide to support their claim about environmental conservation? Strategy practice identifying specific data or statements that support or refute a claim. Here we go. This was all about types of question. 30 days study plan. Divide your study plan in three parts. First, do active reading. Second, practice passage. And third, learn how to eliminate. Active reading includes engage with the text, make notes, and highlight key points. Practice passage includes regular reading from diverse sources and practice answering questions. Elimination strategy includes use the process of elimination to remove incorrect answer options. Then comes time management. Allocate your time wisely and avoid spending too much time on difficult passages because if you save time, you can do more questions. Remember, every question is not important for you. Just fix number of questions. What if you solve 15 to 16 questions total with the 99% accuracy? Your percentile will be 99. Now, 4 weeks study plan. Week 1, involve yourself in reading. Week 2, solve the question through different types of reading comprehension questions. Week 3, check what is your strong part of reading comprehension and types of question, and check what is the weaker section. Make a strong part stronger and try to adjust weaker section. Final part will be to take mock test and make an error log. Based on error log, rework. So this is the study plan for 30 days. If you wish to go with the short term course or crash course, you can join us or visit us. Have a good time.